Oh yeah, Billy. Let's get into it. Okay guys, that's right, you know it. We finally got a GoPro 8 and an accessories package from Neewer. Now they have a bunch of these, and I think I got the best value one humanly possible. But we're gonna start by opening up the GoPro since there's actually less stuff in here than there is in the Neewer. So let's start by going through it. Now, as you can see right off the bat, I got it as a bundle. I got this actually from Costco for about $4.30. Now that $4.30 is normally just the cost of the GoPro itself, but this actually came with a bunch of accessories. You can see here on the back, these are all the accessories it came with. So we got 2 batteries, a handle, USB charger, and a memory card, along with the GoPro 8 Black. Now you might be wondering, why did I pick the Black edition? And that is because this is for my live stream. How the hell do I open this thing? This is actually for the live stream. By using a GoPro 8 Black, I can actually leverage its RTMP qualities and broadcast out to my OBS. My God, how the hell does this thing open? I'm trying not to like crack the box just on the off chance I have to return it. But my God, they're not making this easy for me. Come on, we got this. Oh my God, we might have to do it. We might just have to slice it open. Oh, does it? Nope, never mind. Okay, let's see here. Okay, you know what? Screw it. We're just gonna go for the gusto. Let's just get it. As you can see here, yep, free technical support, Costco services. Cool story, bro. My God, this thing is like really sealed in. Oh, it's like glued down. No wonder I'm having trouble with it. This thing is glued in. Ugh. Okay, there. I made it. I made it, boys. I made it. No worries at all. Okay, let's crack it open. So we can see we start off with a very nice carrying case. It says GoPro on it. I was kind of shocked by how small this was. You know, that's what she said. Looking inside, what do we have? Let's start with the top here. Starting at the top, we have our Pulse manual, unlimited storage. Let's see here. GoPro Plus unlimited cloud storage for your... Oh, try it for free. Okay, is there a code on this? Nope. Then we have our manual in here. I don't know which way you guys are going to see this on the camera. It shows us how to put the mount on, and then we can get the GoPro app. Then it shows us the battery and memory card install. If you have questions, chat with our experts. Cool. Then what do we got here? GoPro stickers. Those will be going on my laptop. And because you know, I want people to know what an active person I am with my 8-pack abs and my bulging biceps. Manual. Nothing exciting about a manual. And then of course we have our 32 gigabyte Sandisk memory card. This isn't too bad, you know, for something that's being thrown in. It's fine. Next, what do we have? We have Velcro padding. Not important. A USB cable. Now, what's nice about this is it's USB Type-C. That's fantastic because Type-C is the best way to go. We got our batteries. I'm not going to lie. Based on all the pictures I've ever seen of a GoPro battery, I thought it was so much bigger than this. And apparently not. But at least I got 2 of them. So that's always nice. We got our mount. I guess this is for a bike. I'll be honest, I don't really know. And then we got another mount. I think that's for a helmet. And we got a tensioning screw. Cool story, bro. Let's take out the GoPro proper. There's still... Oh, that's the handle. Okay. So let's take out the handle first. Come on. I don't want to damage anything just in case. Here is our handle for our GoPro. It is not nearly the quality I would have assumed it would be. I thought it was going to be much heavier. This is very, very light, very plastic, very hollow feeling. It could do with like a solid core, but yeah, we definitely don't have that right now. And then finally, we have the GoPro 8 Hero Black. So here it is. 4K video, live streaming capabilities up to 1080. Incredible build quality to it. Got a little screen on the front to show you battery life and all that other stuff. Here we have the... Oh, who installed this screen? Oh, come on. Are you serious? Look at those bubbles. Terrible. I believe on one of these sides, I believe it's this side here, is how you access the battery, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Okay, it does slide down. It does. I don't want to break this, obviously. It's a very, very expensive. Like, extremely, extremely expensive. I know for some people, $430 is not a lot to me. For me, it is. How the hell do I open this? Hang on. To the manual! Where the hell's my manual? Where is my manual? Okay, so we have to flip it open. According. Oh, there we go. There we go. We got it. So it flips open just like that. Here we have the battery and the memory card slot right there. Nope, that's the USB Type-C slot. Oh, memory card slot's right inside. There's memory, battery, Type-C. Boom. Now that is everything in the GoPro kit. I still have to charge the battery, so obviously I can't do much today in this unboxing video. How the hell do I close this? Oh my god. Come on. I'm literally losing a fight with a GoPro. Okay, you know what? Screw it. Problem for a different day. That's future Arif's problem, not current Arif. Let's push all this aside. Let's not scratch our screen. And let's move on to the Neewer. The Neewer package. Like I said, I bought a whole bunch of accessories for it, and thank God for Amazon same-day delivery, because I actually had to get the GoPro from Costco, but I bought this off Amazon. So thank God for same-day delivery. Made it really easy to justify doing an unboxing video. This thing was about $70, but it was worth it because 3 GoPro batteries. I now, mind you, when I bought this in the morning, I did not know I was going to be getting this combo late, like about 6 hours later. So it just works out now that I have 5 batteries. But yes, luckily it comes with batteries and a triple charger. That's always very pog. This thing has all the accessories in the world you could ever need for a GoPro. Oh wow, it even comes in a beautiful case. Like a beautiful, beautiful little case there. Okay, let's crack it open. That is all the way that's going to be. This is about 50 pieces. Oh my god, there is so much in here. Holy crap. Here's everything that is inside. We have the carrying case, the chest, the head strap, the wrist strap, floating handle grip, suction cup, clamp, selfie stick, mini tripod, wrist strap, bicycle mount, adjustable pivot part 2, screw, Surface J buckle, whatever the hell that is, a curved mount, don't know what that is, helmet strap, helmet extension arm, a wrench. Let's see, what do we got here? Flat mounts, anti-fog sheets, adhesive pads. And then we have strap buckle, and a pouch. I think the only things we really care about are the top row. But we'll go through it. Actually, let's not throw that too far. I can't be that arrogant about this. Okay, so what do we got in this? This is the suction cup right here. This is the suction cup. I'm not going to take it all out of the bags merely because I want to make sure if I have to return anything, I can just do it right away. Here is the I think this is the helmet strap. Yeah, I think this is the helmet strap. We have miscellaneous accessories. So here are the screws. It looks like the adjustable pivots. Yeah, these are just the accessories. What the hell is this? This looks like the clamp. This looks like, I don't know what this is. Honestly, I don't know. Oh, this must be the chest. This must be the chest thing. And then what do we got here? We got all of our miscellaneous sticky pads and holders. Here we have what must be the head strap. Okay, no, this must be the chest strap. This right here is the chest strap. Here is the wrist strap. Wrist strap? Helmet extension arm. I think, oh, yeah, this is the wrist strap for the remote. And here is our floating grip handle, I guess if you're able to go in the water. Oh, and then we also got our tripod, which I'll be honest, also feels incredibly flimsy, and I expected much more for whatever reason. I don't know. But there you guys have it. That is all of the parts for my new GoPro setup. I hope you guys enjoy it. You'll be seeing it on the live stream real soon. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the like button, and I'll see all of you on the next unboxing. Bye.